Assignment 2, question 40. The elements of a struct are called the struct. 1. Variables. 2. Identifiers. 3. Elements. 4. Fields.
So now that we heard the question, let's look at an example of a program. Here's an example of a struct. Line 5 declares a struct shirt. Line 7, int size. This is a field. 8. Line 8 goes style, which is of type character, and the field price is of type float. This is where I end the struct, and there's my semicolon. Now, I'm simply going to talk about defining a struct in lines 5 and lines up to lines 10. In line 14 is where I define my data structure. Again, a struct, and shirt 1 is of type struct. So shirt 1, you can think of it as having size, style, and price. If I had to enter in another value of into shirt, I'll also include the name of the struct and the field. Let's go on reading. So I'm now on page 336. A struct definition does not declare a variable or set aside any memory. It just specifies what memory will be needed when a variable of that type is declared. Note that we use an uppercase letter for the first letter of the name of the struct type, but a lowercase letter for the name of a struct variable. So there's a struct type and a struct variable. If you leave out the semicolon, the compiler will not complain. The compiler will not compile. I think there's an error out here. They didn't notice that. Did you see that? Okay, the compiler could complain too. Size, style, and price are called fields of the shirt struct. I hope that helps you. Goodbye.